Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be discussing shortcut trick to find the cube root of numbers. So, before finding the cube root of big numbers, we are expected that we should know the cube of numbers from 1 to 10. So here is a table which is showing the cube of numbers from 1 to 10. Now, the cube of 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0 ends with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0. That means the cube of 1 ends with 1, the cube of 4 ends with 4, the cube of 5 ends with 5, the cube of 6 ends with 6 and the cube of 9 ends with 9 and the cube of 0 ends with 0. Now this ends with means the last digit will be that. So the cube of 2 ends with 8 and the cube of 8 ends with 2. Similarly, the cube of 3 ends with 7 and the cube of 7 ends with 3. So these are the things that we should keep in mind. And now in the next slide, we will come to know that how we have to solve the questions. Okay, so before doing any example, let us discuss the fact which is applicable to all the numbers from 1 to 10. So I'm taking an example of 2 here. Suppose the cube of any numbers ending with 2. Ending with 2 means 12, 32, 52, 112, 772, etc. will end with 8. That means the 8 will have at the ones place. So we can interpret from that the cube root of any perfect cube number which is ending with 8 will end with 2. That means if in a number we have 8 at the units place, then its cube root will have 2 at the units place. The same is applicable to other numbers also. So let's see how it is applicable. Here is first example, cube root of 59,319. So I have to make the pair of three numbers at a time from a right hand side. So I'll be getting 319 as the one pair and 59 as the another pair. Now, this 319 or this number ends with 9. So I have to check the table that which cube ends with 9. Yeah, so 9 cube ends with 9. So 9 will be the unit digit of my result. Yes, I have got the unit digit of my result, which is 9. Okay. Now I have to get the other digit. So how it is to be done? I'll check 59, the other pair. Now 59 lies between 27 and 64. That means 59 lies between 3 cube and 4 cube. But I have to take a smaller number than 59, which is 27 here. Or cube root of 27 is 3. So I'll be taking 3. So my final answer will be 39. I hope it is clear to you. Here is example number 2, 19,683. So first we'll be separating. So the one part is 683 and the other part is 19. Now I have to find the last digit of my result. Now it ends with 3 and the cube of 7 ends with 3. So that means the last digit will be 7. Okay. Now for the first digit, what I need to do is I need to check 19. Now 19 lies between 8 and 27. Okay, 19 lies between the cube of 2 and 3, but we have to take a smaller number. So we'll take 2. So the final answer will be 27. Example 3, 804,357. So first I'll be separating. So the first pair is 804 and the second pair is 357. Now I have to check that it ends with 7. So the last digit will be 3 because 3 cube ends with 7. So I got my last digit of the result, which is 3. For the other digit, what I need to do is I need to check 804. In the table, 804 lies between 729 and 1000. So it lies between 9 cube and 10 cube, but I have to take a smaller number. That means I have to take 9. So my final result is 93. So let's take one more example. Cube root of 1259712. Now this is a big number. I'll be separating, so I'll be getting 712 as the last three digits and 1259 as the remaining digits. So these remaining digits I have to keep together. Okay. Now the number ends with 2, so the last digit is 8, as 8 cube ends with 2. So my last digit of the result is 8. Okay. Now for the other digits, I have to take 1259 together. Now 1000 is less than 1259. That means 10 cube is less than 1259. So I have to take a number which is less than 1259 and it is a cube. So that number will be 10. Okay. So 10 is my first two digits. So the final result is 108. So here is an example which is relatively easy, but there is some difference in that. You will come to know what is that. So 1728. So I'll be separating it from the right hand side. So I'll 728 as the first pair of three numbers, and then I'm left with only one. Okay. Now the number ends with 8, so the last digit equals to 2 because 2 cube ends with 8. So 2 is the last digit of the result. For the first digit, I have to check 1. Yeah, so I'm getting 1 here and 1 cube is 1. So 1 is the first digit and the final answer is 12. Now what is the difference? In the other question, we were not getting a perfect cube as the first digit. We were getting something else and then we were finding a number, a perfect cube which is less than that number. Okay, but here we have directly got the 1 which is a perfect cube. So these type of questions can also come. You should not get confused. So the answer here is 12. I hope it is clear to you. Let's try some questions and write the answers in the comment section. The limitation of this method is you can find the cube root of only those numbers which are perfect cube. So when somebody is asking you, he should give you the perfect cube, then only you can use this method to find the answer. If some other number is given whose perfect cube cannot be found, but this method you can find the cube which may not be correct. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye. Take care.